The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 124C. Power of Parliament to make law. Parliament may, by law, regulate the procedure for the appointment of Chief Justice of India, and other judges of the Supreme Court, and Chief Justices, and other judges of High Courts. And empower the Commission to lay down by regulations the procedure, for the discharge of its functions, the manner of selection of persons, for appointment, and such other matters, as may be considered necessary by it.